Hi, welcome to the Almond Products tutorial series. My name is Jeff Kellen. I'm an Almond engineering technician. Today I'm going to go over the operation of the setup, start, and shutdown of your units. Today I'm going to cover the NLGR 6kW liquid-cooled series light tower. For step 1, you're going to transport your light tower to the work site. Properly and safely position the light tower trailer on a solid, level surface. Do not set up the light tower trailer on an incline more than 5%. Do not set up the light tower on unlevel or unstable ground. Check site for overhead obstructions such as power lines and trees. Keep in mind the maximum height of the light tower when fully raised. Step 2. Deploy the tongue jack. Remove the jack locking pin. Rotate the tongue jack into the operating position and install the jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes in the jack and tongue. Unfold the crank handle, turn the jack handle clockwise to lower the jack foot, and raise the front of the light tower trailer. Step 3. Put wheel chocks against the front and rear of each wheel. Step 4. Deploy the outriggers. The unit has left and right outriggers at the rear of the machine. Pull the outrigger locking pin. Move the outrigger out until the pins lock the outrigger in the operating position. Remove the stabilizer jack locking pin, turn the jack into the operating position, and install the stabilizer jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes in the jack and outrigger. Unfold the handle of the stabilizer jack, then turn clockwise to lower the jack firmly planted onto the work site surface. Repeat for opposite outrigger and stabilizer jack. Step 5. Make the light tower trailer level front to back and side to side using the jacks. Step 6. Rotating the light tower. First, loosen the light tower rotation locking knob. Use the handles to rotate the light tower in the desired direction. Tighten the light tower locking knob. Step 7. Adjust each fixture to the desired position. To adjust left and right, move the fixture yoke. To adjust up and down, loosen the locking knob, adjust the fixture, then tighten the locking knob. Step 8. Examine the fuel level in the fuel tank. Add fuel if necessary. Step 9. Open the engine compartment cover. Remove the dipstick from the engine and examine the engine oil level. The engine oil level should be between the full and add marks on the dipstick. Add oil if necessary. Check the engine coolant recovery bottle. Keep engine coolant in the recovery bottle between 1/3 and 2/3 full. Replenish if necessary. Step 10. Operating the engine.
For key start operation, turn the key switch to preheat, hold for 10 seconds, then turn the key switch past run to start. Once the engine starts, release the key switch and it will automatically return to run. After the engine is started, the lights will turn on automatically. All the light circuit breakers should be in the on position. For deep sea controller operation, turn the electronic controller on-off switch to the on position. To manually start the engine, push the start button on the deep sea controller 2 times. After the intake heater has warmed the intake, the engine will start. After the engine is started, the lights will turn on automatically. All light circuit breakers need to be on the on position. For complete information on the deep sea control module, read the Deep Sea Control Module Operator's Manual.
The NLGR liquid-cooled 6kW has an emergency stop on the rear right side of the trailer that will immediately shut the entire unit down in case of emergency. Step 11. Raising and lowering the light tower. The unit may be equipped with a standard manual winch or an optional electric winch to raise and lower the light tower. For manual winch, turn the winch handles until the tower is fully raised. Do not overturn the handles. For electric winch, press and hold the tower raise rocker switch in the up position until the tower is fully raised. Step 12. The unit is equipped with auxiliary outlets. Auxiliary AC outlets are located on the right panel near the rear side of the unit. Each outlet is protected by a spring-loaded cover. Step 13. Close the engine compartment cover. Step 14. The light tower is now in operation for the worksite. For more information on your Light Tower GR Series Liquid Cool 6kW unit, scan the QR code near the control box to access the product operations webpage on the Almond website. For the shutdown of your unit, you're going to first open the engine compartment cover.
Shut down the engine. For key start models, turn the key switch to the off position. The lights will automatically turn off before the engine shuts down. For deep sea controller models, push the stop button on the deep sea control module. The lights will shut off automatically before the engine shuts down. Set the electronic controller switch to the off position.
Step 3. Wait 10 minutes for the lights to cool. Step 4. Lower the light tower. Again, the unit may be equipped with a standard manual winch or an optional electric winch to raise and lower your light tower. For the manual winch option, turn the winch handles until the tower is fully lowered. Do not overturn the handles. For electric winch option, press and hold the tower raise rocker switch in the down position until the tower is fully lowered. Step 5. Rotate the light tower to the transport position. Loosen the light tower rotation locking knob. Use the handles to rotate the light tower in transport position. And tighten the light tower locking knob. Step 6. Adjust the light fixtures to the transport position. Turn the light fixtures to the rear of the unit. Step 7. Make sure the engine compartment cover is closed and latched. Step 8. Retract the outriggers. Fully lift the stabilizer jack foot by turning the jack handle counterclockwise. Fold the handle, remove the stabilizer jack locking pin, turn the jack into the transport position, and install the stabilizer jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes of the jack and outrigger. Pull the outrigger locking pin and move the outrigger in until the pin locks the outrigger in the transport position. The unit is now ready to transport.